Hey, welcome guys to p17 solution. This is Itel P17 charging jumper solution we're about to show you on this very tutorial. As you can see, this downboard is damaged. One of the leg is damaged, which is the positive leg where we connect the positive charging port to, is damaged. On this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can do this jumper. As you can see, there is an IC there. On that very IC, just connect the positive leg of the charging port to that very port and it will work perfectly. As you can see, I've run the connection. See, from the positive to that very IC. Yes, so I've run the jumper already. So this is it. So the connection has been made successfully. So just follow what I did and you will have a good result. So at this point now, let's try and couple the phone back and see the result of this jumper solution we did for this Itel P17 phone. Yes, so just follow. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button. Please like and share this video and give us a thumbs up, because your comment is very helpful to us and help YouTube to recommend our videos. Alright, so let's wait and do the coupling complete. Alright, start the battery. Good. So if you're first time on this channel, please do well to subscribe, like our video and drop your comments. If this video is helpful to you, please do well to drop your comments on this video. Alright, so let's plug in the charger now to see our results of what we have done. So let's plug in the charger. As you can see, this is it. This is it. That is it. You see, it's working, guys. It's working perfectly. It's working. So if it works for you, please don't forget to drop your comment at the comment section. Share these videos to other technicians. See you in our next video.